Hello students, today we are here to learn about this and these. You know students that what are this and these? They are demonstrative pronoun and they are used when something is near to us. Someone is near to us. To indicate something we use this and these. You know students that this is used for singular and these is used for plural. Okay students, and with this we always use either is or was, and with these we use are and were. Let's read these sentences to learn something more about them. Okay, this is a dog. Now this sentence is indicating that dog is near to us because this dog is near to this sentence. That's why here this is used. And please pay attention students, that's with this we have used is. And why did we use this over here? Because the dog is one in number. That's why this is used. But in the case of many dogs or more than one dog, we don't use this. We will use these. And with these we will use are. These are dogs. See students, these are dogs because they are more than one. They are two. And with these we use are. And let's read second sentence. What's there? Let's read next sentence. What's written over here? This is a key. What is it? This is a key. And this sentence is indicating that key is here. That's why this is used. And with this is used. And when in case of many keys, we don't use this. We will use these. See how many keys are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 in numbers and they are many. And when the thing is more than one, we use these. And with these we will use are rather than is. Okay students. And now let's read next sentence. This is a rose. This sentence is saying that next rose is near. And with this we have used is. And when roses are many in number, we use these, not this. We will use these. And with these we will use are. Okay students, let's take an example to understand something more about this and these. Okay students, here are blanks and in these blanks one has to fill either this or these. How would we come to know that what should we fill? Should we fill this or these? Let's read the sentence first. Okay, and here is written this is a pen, and here is given this, and we have read this thing that with is this will come. That's why we will write this. Okay, this is a pen, and here is written are pens. With are we know this thing, we always use these, not this, because here are many pens. See, that's why we will write these. Okay students, I hope you have understood that how would we use this or these. And with this we will use is and was, and with these we will use are and were. Okay, bye bye students.